Hey, what's up? Uh, just wanted to make a small video of how I take care of my Blade 450. After I've done about 4 or 5 flights, I lube up everything. So I have no binding with my how do you call it, my bearings. I got a bearing oil. So it's been my fourth flight, so it's time to lube it up. So first of all, I always lube my motor first. You have the small bearing inside. Just put a couple of dabs. Just turn it a little bit. That's about it. I have to do the bearing inside. For this setup, for me, it's hard to do, but I manage. I go from here in front, under my pinion. I just dab a little bit, both sides. So that's about it. Do the same thing, turn it a bit. So since I'm upside down, this bottom bearing here, there you go. Turn the blade a little bit. That's about okay. After that, I do this bearing here. There we go. Turn it again. After that, I do the swash plate. I do the swash plate. You have bearings here all around. So I dab it a little bit all around. I have a little bit too much. Just take it off and turn it. That's it. I like to oil my main shaft a little bit so it slides properly all the way through, all the way up. Sorry for the accent. I'm French, so here we go. After that, I do the top bearing. There you go. Turn it all the time. For my main shaft, just go like this. So everything's lube. My main shaft is lube. My swash plate doesn't bind nowhere. So mortar, all the way here. Could put it like you have bearings here on the side. You can put some if you want. No, that I can't. So now it's in the back. Have the bearing here. Just put it inside. Turn it. Got it inside bearing here. It's the same one. Like to do in both sides. There you go. And inside. This right. Have 1, 2, 3. Three bearings here. Turn it. That's about it. Now everything's smooth. Oh yeah, you have that bearing for the tail. Just put it on the inside here. Turn it. Oops. And the other side. Grab it from here. There we go. And that's about it. Every fourth flight, fifth flight, I do this. So everything is perfect. No binding with the bearings. And that's about it. So have a nice one. See ya.